how to write strike-through text in WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to make strike-through text on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation where you want to send a strike-through message. Tap on the message box at the bottom. To make your text strike through, follow these steps. Start by typing a tilde. Next, type your message. Finally, add another tilde at the end of your message. For example, typing tilde hello tilde will display hello with a strike through in WhatsApp. In summary, enclose your text with two tilde, one at the beginning and one at the end to strike through your text on WhatsApp. Finally, tap the send button and boom! You have successfully learned how to write strike-through text on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.